How to use Frontier Beginner's Guide. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at Frontier, which is a new cryptocurrency token out there. It is a new blockchain and it is probably one of the highest potential earning ones that you can find out there. So let's get into it and let's cover all you need to know about Frontier and how to purchase Frontier. So Frontier is a new crypto token. You can see that they have their own wallet management system, and then you can buy crypto and you can store, send, and receive their cryptocurrencies or any other cryptocurrencies on the Frontier application. So their application is available on the App Store, Play Store, or Android as well. And not only do they have their own token, but they also enable you to store other tokens, and they have multiple different blockchains that they support. Now, what exactly is Frontier? Well, Frontier is a crypto, DeFi, and NFT wallet where you can send, store, and invest over 4,000 crypto assets, and you can earn passive income by staking or supplying assets in the DeFi applications. And if we take a look at the safety of Frontier, it is a non-custodian wallet. It means you only have the sole control of your private keys, which in turn gives you entire control over your funds. So Frontier is a very safe crypto wallet. Like, we have MetaMask on our web browsers. If you are looking to store or trade or earn money with crypto on your phone, then using Frontier is going to be a good option for you. They also have the Frontier Sweepstakes, which has a launch party where you will be able to win over 100K in crypto prizes. Now, they also have their blog. They have Front as their cryptocurrency. So Frontier is the application, and they have developed their own crypto token, which is Front. Now, Front is probably what we're going to be focusing and what you might be looking for as well. Front is the cryptocurrency token, and it incentivizes DeFi by liquidity provision, less gas transactions, NFT acquisition and creation, and more. So if we take a look at the Frontier utilities, they have gasless transactions, they have the incentivization protocol, liquidity provisions, referrals, NFT creation and acquisition, and deflation via integration. So they have quite a few different economic models out there, and they have created Front for immediate, midterm, and long-term value capture. So you can have a seed that could give you strategic long-term investment plans as well as short-term growth potentials as well. Now, if we take a look at Frontier, the current price that it is in, and the potential price it could go, presently Frontier is down by 0.59%. That is because the overall crypto market has been going through a recession. Overall, every kind of stock market has been presently going through a recession. That is why the prices of everything have been decreasing. So the Frontier token, or Front, is currently down 0.59%. It is ranked 589 in the token list, and it is on over 40K watch list. Now, you can see over here that the market cap for this is around 19 million. The fully diluted market cap is around 20 million, and the volume available in the past 24 hours is around 6 million. And if we scroll down and take a look at the one-day data, so you can see Frontier went up to 0.21, and then it dropped to a very low of 0.20. So it does have quite a volatile market. But if we take a look at the 1 month chart of Frontier, so you can see it started out at 0.17 and it also peaked at 0.23. So Frontier is definitely in a overarching chart. If you take a look at the overarching look of this chart, it is only going up. And if we take a look at the 3-month data over here, you can see at the 3-month point we have a larger chart available, which is going to show you the volatility. So it dropped to 0.17. So that is also something to keep in mind. Obviously, when a crypto token launches, they have a very big pump and dump scheme available. So that is why the price goes really up, but then eventually the price does stabilize and go to a medium point. So it is pretty expected that Frontier will go to a $1.1, $1.3 price point in the near future. So in around a couple of months. Currently, Frontier is trading at $0.20. So if you're looking to buy Frontier, if you're looking to buy a a crypto token with a potential of large gains, then Frontier's Front token might be a good option for you because you will be able to buy quite a large volume. And if the price of Front goes as expected and it goes back to around 1.17, you can get a profit around of over 100% to 50% as well. Now, you can see that there are many other tokens that this token is compared to, like Polkadot, like Avalanche, like Solana, but each token is very different, and I don't think that it's fair to compare a singular token to other tokens directly like so, because there is quite a difference between all tokens. Now, you can see over here that if we take a look at the price estimate, so you can see the price estimates have been placed on CoinMarketCap as well. And if we take a look at the latest news regarding the Frontier token, you can see that a lot of NFT issues, a lot of people that are looking to get into the NFT market are using smaller tokens that are promoting DeFi and NFT trades as their crypto tokens as well. So now, how do you actually go on about to purchase the Front token? So you've decided you understand the token, you find the crypto market understandable. How do you purchase this token? Well, there are many different platforms that are available for purchasing, selling, and trading crypto. The one that we're going to be using is Binance. So all you're going to do is you're going to go onto Binance.com, and over here you're going to click on register over here, and then you can sign up via your phone or email. You can just enter your email address and password, and then you will have to verify your account with your phone number, and your Binance account will be created. So you can see I've logged onto my Binance account over here. This is what my dashboard is looking like, and on your top left you can see you have your buy crypto. So you can just click on bank deposit, and you can choose how you want to buy your crypto market, via bank deposits, via your credit or debit card, which is the simplest method. So let's say I want to buy the Front token. Now you can see over here, I have opened up the chart on Binance for the Frontier token. You can see the overall data about the Front token. So all you're going to do is you're going to click on buy Front on the right side of your screen. It says over here, and you can enter the amount of USD you want to spend. Maybe I want to spend $100. So you can see it shows you how many BNB you can buy, and then from this BNB you're going to buy Frontier. So you can go on to person trading, where one person is going to sell you their coin. And then what you're going to do is, after you go onto this platform over here, you can just search for the specific token that you're looking for. So whatever token it might be, you can look for that as well. And you can also go on to third-party payments as well as another option for you to buy and sell crypto. So that is how simple and easy it is to get started with Frontier. Now, with any kind of crypto market, you have to understand that whenever you're investing in crypto, it is going to be volatile, and there are a lot of rumors that are saying that Frontier is going to 2x in the near future. It is going to double up, and I do expect it to go to at least around $1.2 in the midterm future, so in around a couple of months. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and you're now able to get started with Frontier's Front token, and you better understand the Frontier mind map of their crypto market and the crypto enhancements that they have built. So make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you found this video helpful. Check out our other videos on other tokens as well. And if you have any questions or queries, leave them in the comment box down below, and I will make sure to answer them as soon as possible. And I will catch you guys in the next video.